Hey guys, it's Zavier at Muscle Car Concepts. We have this 70 Chevelle here that we're doing for a customer. It's not really a Chevelle, it's a Malibu body. It's just a Chevelle clone, I guess. Well, the owner bought this for 60K. It's not worth 60K. It's resting in spots that the body's not even usable anymore. Like the door hinges, the door's sagging now. I don't know what this spot's called, but I'll show you guys. If you guys look down there, that's rotting too. Same thing with the other side. I believe the floor's rotting too, it could be wrong. There's something going on in the firewall, I don't think it's normal. Looks like somebody cut into it with scissors. But from a naked eye, just somebody that doesn't know much about cars, this car looks great. You know, you can't see all the imperfections, so whoever built this car was good at that. But people like us that have an eye for these things will know that this car is not pretty. This car needs a lot of work to be pretty again. The interior looks decent. I don't know what this car sounded like, if I'm being honest with you. When we first got it, it was a roller, so we don't even have the engine or trans for the drivetrain. We have another 70 Chevelle inside that you guys seen. We're actually holding a car show for the guy that owns that. It's a charity event tomorrow at 9 a.m. to 10:30ish, I believe. So if you guys are seeing this now, you guys are more than welcome to come by. It's just at the shop. Just text us or leave a comment if you guys are coming. We can send you guys the address. But yeah, we would be more than happy to see our followers, see our fans. All of us would love to meet you guys. I think everybody at the shop's going to be there tomorrow. Come stop by. Say hi. Love you guys.